Hey folks, thanks for stopping by, and you're going to be glad that you did. Again, it's Paul, your direct mail specialist, and I have something powerful for you. For any of you watching, or for those who you are beginning to get into the direct mail marketing business. And by the way, folks, you're going to want to stay to the end. I have a special offer for you. This is a home-based business in a box. If any of you watching have any experience with mailing out postcards and flyers, this is going to be a jam-packed video. We're giving up all the secrets. We're giving up all the tips, the secret sauce, everything you need. Folks, Mr. Ricky Reed, and Mr. Ricky Reed, big shout out to you, sir. We thank God for you, and you have done it again. Mr. Ricky Reed just came out with a new launch of Money of Fire postcard and flyer, where folks, you can earn up to $10,000 to $20,000 weekly mailing flyers and postcards. Folks, 2023, if you get started with this one, folks, you are going to break that chain of recession. And you are going to go into prosperity rather quickly. Listen, Mr. Ricky Reed and myself, we're Christians. We're telling it, we're giving it to you raw. Honestly, folks, you have to be careful in a direct mail business. Especially those of you who are experiencing in your mail outs. Washed up, I'm just going to come right out with it, washed up mailing lists. Folks, you're buying leads that are washed up. They've been in existence too long. They're used from last year, the year before, all the way out to 2014 and 15. Folks, I know this for a fact. We are giving you hot, fresh buyer leads. People who are leaders in the business, who know just by looking at a program whether or not they're going to make an ROI, return on investment. And folks, Mr. Ricky Reed is the legend. You know his name. He's been around for a while now, and he is the go-to. He has a talent, folks. If you look at this design on this flyer, Money of Fire postcard flyer. Look at the green here, folks. Do you see that particular color of green? Mr. Ricky Reed obviously is talented, thanks be to God, in graphic art design. You'll see this color green on a lot of YouTube thumbnails. If you use Canva, for those of you who use Canva, and are making thumbnails on Canva, or if you go to Fiverr or Upwork and you order for $5, $10 a thumbnail, this green right now is popping. The click rate, go through is so high on these colors that you'll get a lot of clicks on your videos, and that's why he put this color on this particular flyer. Now, notice the background, the red. You all know what red means. Red is a winning color. And notice the different shades he has with the highlighted over here on top of this fella's head. Boy, this is a great flyer, Mr. Reed. All of these colors have psychological triggers to it that make you stop and look at it. Folks, my name is Paul, and I want you to join with me with this flyer today, and let's get into it. Ignite your wealth. Money on Fire flyer, fueling your financial success. And with me today, I have Mr. Ricky Reed in the backdrop, and he's going to explain what this all means better than I could. And let me get him on with us now. And here we go.
All right. Then it goes into the opportunity. What is it? What's in it for you? $500 Money on Fire package. Okay, you're going to get 500 full data leads. Full data leads. And these are network marketing or multi-level marketing leaders that are looking to get started in a business. Okay? The next thing is $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice, $1,000 in fast food restaurants of your choice, a 1 day, you get 1 3-day, 2-night trips. Now, you get to go to different places that's in the U.S., okay, or in U.S. territories. All right, you pick the place you want to go to, and we're taking care of the hotel accommodations for these different resorts and vacation spots. Okay, and the Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit. This kit is so amazing. Where I get my stamps at a discount, where I get my flyers printed. Okay, with us here at the Cash Cow program, we don't force you to buy flyers and postcards from us. Okay, we want you to get them at whatever discount you can, because the more you make, the more we make, and we're going to make sure you have that success. Okay, the envelopes, where you can get your envelopes stuffed with your name on it. All you got to do is put your flyer in there, or this can be used as what I call a self-mailer. Okay, so this is the top portion. Fold this in half, all right, and it's like having a flyer. Like having a postcard. But this can be a self-mailer. Okay, stamp go right here, and that person, name and address. Okay, go right here, and you just drop this in the mail. Fold it in half. You got a sticky that you could put here, here, and here. Even other flyers that you have, you could put it inside this. Okay, fold it up and send it. That's how powerful this is. I haven't seen anything like it yet. All right. Also, the unlimited support. You could call me anytime. Here's my number down here: 346-704-1754. 346-704-1754 is my number. Okay. Again, this is hot, brand new, so this is not on the allyourmoney.net site or the Cash Cow program website. It's not there yet. Okay, and this, like I said, this ticket is it's at least $500. Let me tell you about the leads. Look, people, these are people that's involved in network marketing or multi-level marketing. Okay, these leads are people that are leaders, that are looking for great opportunities, and they have the money to get started and they're ready to go. Okay, these are not buyer leads or some of them other ones. We're talking about you getting name, address, phone numbers, and email addresses of people that is currently involved in multi-level marketing or network marketing. Okay, so if you've been searching, for a lucrative business opportunity, you may want to take a look at the Cash Cow program flyers that we have, and that's www.cashcowprogram.com. That's cashcowprogram.com. Okay, but if you want to get started from here, you would have to call me, tell me you're looking in the Money on Fire flyer. Okay, I have over 30 money-making flyers and postcards there. This have not been added to it. Now, let's get into the benefits, from doing this. Because I already went over what you get when you get started. When someone receives this beautiful postcard or flyer in the mail, what they're going to send to you, okay, is $500, okay, and 5 books of stamps. That's what they're going to send to you, $500 and 5 books of stamps. What I'm going to send to you when you get started, I'm going to give you 500 of these full data leads that I have. Okay, $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. You can't lose with the coupons you choose. Also, $1,000 in fast food restaurant coupons of your choice. You're going to get 1 3-day, 2-night mini vacation in a sense. Okay, and then of course the Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit and all the support that I can offer to you. Okay, now you're going to get your exclusive flyer. Okay, right here is where your name and address will go. Your name and address is going to go right here. All right, so I'm going to be one person name right there. All right, now with the, let me see. Okay, so you got that. You get, looking at people, you're getting $500 at a time, people. You get 4 sales, that's $2,000. Easily. Okay, the marketing kit, we talked about that. Okay, the grocery coupons, we talked about that. We talked about the leads. Okay, so it is as simple as that. If you can put a stamp on a postcard or on an envelope or on a self-mailer, you can make some serious money, people. The Money on Fire flyer and postcard is available to you. Okay, just give me a call, 346-704-1754, and tell me I want the Money on Fire. Okay, the Money on Fire 500. That's what you want, people. What's the cost? $500 one time and $5 of stamps. Because when your name go in this box, people are going to send you $500 and $5 of stamps. It is simple. It is easy as that. Okay? Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. This is the Money on Fire flyer and postcard, the new Money on Fire. You can go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. And you can see all the other flyers and postcards that we have available for you there. Okay? Find something you need. All you need to do is click on it. Okay? If that flyer is going to enlarge, you just print it out, follow instructions. We look forward to working with you. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. Look at this beautiful postcard flyer. This is amazing, people. And it's waiting just for you. It's waiting just for you. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. Let's get that money.
Yes, folks, you heard Mr. Ricky Reed. And I'm telling you right now, folks,
all right.
This is what you want to get involved in. Folks, I just want to add something to what Mr. Ricky Reed said. And it's important for you to hear this. Mr. Ricky Reed and I, Paul, we are not part-timers. We don't do this as a side hustle, as to say. We don't do this part-time. We don't go to a 9 to 5, a 7 to 3. We come home and we go into our little room and we spend an hour on it, a half hour. Sir, people, folks, ma'am, we do this full-time. We do this for a living. This is how we earn our incomes. And when I say full-time to us is maybe a couple, 2-3 hours a day. We don't do it for 8, 9, 10 hours. But if you really want to have a home-based business in a box, folks, I highly suggest you get involved in this new launch. It's all timing, folks. It's all timing. Because I guarantee you, when you see the proof that we're both going to show you from this flyer alone, you're going to wish you would have taken action. You know, Mr. Ricky Reed always says, take action, take action, take action. Albert Einstein said this, that our imagination, folks, is everything. Albert Einstein said, the imagination is everything. It's a preview of life's coming attractions. God puts a dream in each of our hearts. He puts a desire to go after that dream. That deep down desire that you have to do something. Maybe it might not be this. Maybe it might be for you to be a businessman doing something else. Maybe a doctor, a lawyer. Maybe you're an artist, you're in music. You want to be a great pianist, a great guitarist. You want to be a singer for worship of God. Whatever that dream and desire is in your heart, God put it there. And if you delight yourself in the Lord, He will give you the desires of your heart. This is my desire, folks. I enjoy doing direct mail. And it's obvious to see that Mr. Ricky Reed, he too a man of God, has a very, very great talent in this. And the reason why I say we don't do this as a side hustle, but we do it as a full-time job, a home-based business, is because we're here for you, folks. We are here for you. How many programs, MLM programs, those of you who have shiny object syndrome, like me, like all of us to a certain extent, how many programs have you been in online where you hook up, you even call this particular person, the sponsor, the one who promises to be your mentor and coach, and he talks to you, and he's calling you, he's picking up the phone, and as soon as you give him $500, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, we say they don't answer the phone anymore. They go into the witness protection program. You don't hear from them anymore. And you'll call them a month later, and they'll pick up the phone. They think you're somebody else, and they're like, what happened to you? Folks, we're not going to do that to you. Because when you make money, we make money. We're here to build a team, a network of direct mailers together. Those of us working together. The Bible says, iron sharpeneth iron, so a man sharpen the countenance of his friend. United we stand, divided we fall. And folks, teamwork makes the dream work. Teamwork makes the dream work. And you have the number one team in direct mail. We're here for you. Mr. Ricky Reed over and over again gave you his own personal number. Folks, the legend, Mr. Ricky Reed, gave you his phone number. Do you know how much that speaks volumes? You know what a great impact he's already had in my life? He can have it in yours too. You can win, and win big on this dream team. We want you to get in with us. $500, 5 books of stamps. I'll have all the information again in the description. You can mail that to me, Paul Barletta, at 4C Potomac Lane, Whiting, New Jersey. My phone number is 862-658-2086. Again, 862-658-2086. We answer our phones, folks. We answer our phones. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day and a great evening. And as always, God bless you. Bye-bye.